This call is now being recorded.
Yeah, so this one's got to do with PatentSpike and the PDF to text conversion that we are doing. Now here's a simple script that I've written down so that we understand how we can manage different PDF formats. So some suggestions have come through to use OCR or Tesseract, maybe OpenCV and then Tesseract. But for now, I think we'll just let that be and maybe decide Monday, Tuesday. Before that, this is a very simple approach. So I've already shared text documents, PDF converted to text. Some of those formats look like this. Now in this first initial format, if we look at assignee, we will not find the term assignee. We have assigns or whatever is there, but we don't have assignee. And similarly, in these we will find assignee being there, which is right after the inventor. So who's the inventor or inventors in plural, and then the assignee, which is the organization. Similarly over here, you will see the assignee is Cisco and inventors are all of these over here. Now what needs to be done is we need to basically bucketize the code. So you bucketize the text. So you need to pick up the text between any given buckets, so to say. Limiters, so to say. So what I'm looking at over here is one is inventors or inventor, and the other one is assignee. So for two of these text documents, which are which are having this particular path, this code will work, but it will not work for this first document. Reason being because this one does not have any assignee word over there. So if you run the script, what it will give you is, let me show you that. This is for the document which has just got a single inventor. It does not have inventors. And if I were to look at the next document, now this one has inventors. So it will give us a list which will have the inventor's name or a list which will have the inventor's name depending on which document is being passed through. So this kind of code we need to write to tackle this problem. I'm sharing this Python file. I'm also sharing these text files. If there is any doubts that anybody has, you can text me on WhatsApp. This is extremely simple, nothing difficult to understand. We cannot go ahead and start doing OpenCV or Tesseract before we go ahead and explore these possibilities for different formats, because the formats are different in PDF itself, not only in the text. So that we need to ensure that we don't end up going for that before trying out this approach.